What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to remove the screen on a 2016 Volvo XC90. Let's get into it. First and foremost, for this job, a 90-degree pick or a hook pick would work just fine. To start the repair off, look into your AC vents and you'll find a small hole at the top inner corner. Stick your pick in the hole and use it as a way to pull out the AC vent. Once the pick is in there, pull out carefully and the whole AC vent should pop out. Be careful not to just pull it out because there is one connector still connected. Disconnect that connector that goes to the AC vent, then make your way to the other side and do the exact same thing. Once it's popped out, remove that one connector and put that one on the side as well so it's out of your way. Next, we'll remove 6 T25 screws holding down the screen and the carrier to the dashboard. Once all the screws are removed, use the trim panel tool to slowly pry it away from the dashboard. Carefully remove by prying on all corners, making sure not to damage any parts of the dashboard. Flip that bad boy over and remove 2 connectors in the back. One's going to be gray and one's going to be blue. Remove 4 more bolts holding down the screen to the carrier. Once those bolts are removed, you can remove the screen from the carrier and swap it out with the new one. For installation, just reinstall in reverse order and you're done. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to remove and replace the screen on a 2016 Volvo XC90.
If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!